Hello again, this is Dr. Anthony Rakovic at a Chiropractic Clinic in Upland, and our office wants to really talk about this week is what is your belief in the current healthcare system? Meaning, is it working for you? Is it keeping people healthy? And what does that mean? Our healthcare system, any healthcare system, their goal is to get sick people well. Are we doing that in America? Has it worked the last 15, 20 years or so based on our approach? The belief system is a medical belief system, and their belief is really your genetic makeup basically determines how sick you get and what sicknesses you have. Is there a sickness, is there a gene for diabetes, a gene for cancer? Specific cancers like heart disease and lung cancer and pancreatic cancer. If your belief is that, no matter what you do, your body will get sick. So what does medicine want to do? Is help you deal with those symptoms of being sick if you're going to get it anyways. This is going to be really your choice to choose what you want to believe. But if you believe that our health is predetermined by our genetic makeup, then does it really matter how much we exercise? If we have proper nutrition, if we take care of our bodies for one, does it really matter? You have to ask yourself that question. If the system is working, why is 75% of Americans on some type of medication on a long-term routine basis? Why do 25% of our kids take Ritalin, which is an antipsychotic drug for ADHD? And why has it risen the last 10 years? Why do we have the sickest amount of children in the history of the world in America right now? If the healthcare system's working, how is it working? Why does the cost of healthcare keep increasing every year? Is because we have more sick people? Answer that question for yourself, people. Okay? Realize that if 80% of people in America right now are sick and it's rising, what is your personal belief that we can do to help change that? And I'm not talking about, let's be honest, what can we do in our own homes? Let's not worry about the national thing right now. Let's let politics work out because that's going to be a big issue. But what can we do in our own homes to maybe think differently? That is, when we have a cold, do we run to the cabinet and see what type of over-the-counter drug we have to help deal with that? Or do we look at it and go, okay, why do I have a cold? Am I run down? Am I not eating properly? Am I not getting enough exercise? What's going on in my body? This is a belief system shift that if you choose to make, it takes time and effort. It goes away from the current medical model when you watch TV, read the paper, listen to the news. This is not normal. Okay? If you want to get healthy, you have to choose what's better for you. In our office, what we talk about is really maintaining proper nutrition, routine exercise, and a healthy nervous system to keep your body well. This is not the normal paradigm right now. We want to do, or belief system, we want to do is help shift that at an individual level, you, your family, and anyone that wants to listen to what else they can do instead of taking prescribed medication. Next, we're going to discuss some case studies of patients that have gone through personal testimonials of how they've dealt with changing their belief system and how it's affected their body and their overall life for them and their family. So again, this is another, if you want to call it a testimonial or interview with myself, Dr. Rakovic, and we talked about this week is really understanding what the current healthcare system has to offer on is it, and for yourself you have to answer yourself this question, is it prescribing more drugs? Is it costing people more? Is it solving the problem of getting sick people well? You have to decide that for yourself. If it's not, is there something else out there that's better for you? Okay? At our office, we do is really focus on the whole body, and we talk whole body health system, again through proper nutrition, exercise, and also a healthy nervous system. Really think about that and see what's better for you and your family. Okay? Again, there's a video from Chiropractic Clinic. Enjoy better health from the inside out. Have a great weekend.